Hey everyone! Today, we are reviewing Rosabella Moringa Capsules, a natural supplement made from moringa leaves, which are often called a superfood for their rich nutrient content. We use these capsules consistently to see what benefits they actually provide. Pros first, moringa is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and we did feel a slight increase in energy and less midday fatigue after regular use. It also seemed to help digestion and bloating, likely because of its high fiber and nutrient content. The capsules are convenient and eliminate the need to mix moringa powders, which can be bitter and grassy. However, the cons are important to mention. While moringa is nutrient-rich, the effects are mild and not as dramatic as some marketing makes them sound. The capsules also cause slight stomach upset when taken on an empty stomach. Another drawback is the price compared to buying bulk moringa powder. It's much more expensive in capsule form for essentially the same ingredient. Overall, Rosabella Moringa capsules are a convenient way to get the benefits of moringa, but they are not life-changing. If you want a clean, natural nutrient boost, they can be helpful, but don't expect them to work like a miracle supplement. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.